The first step, power off. Make sure there is no power operation. Step 2, remove the side panels. The pen detects the circuit to ensure no power. Ensure that no power is on, then remove the damaged power cable. Unscrew the wiring screws first. Then take apart the components in turn. Replace the 220 伏 power cable. First, you need to separate this component. Install the components into the power cable in turn. After the component is installed, connect the wires. After connecting the wires, tighten all the screws, including tightening the component, to prevent the spark from malfunctioning.